Humphrey, Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere. He's everyone's favorite adventure bear.
Ooh, what's our chef extraordinaire making today? Honey Oat Cupcakes! Get ready for ingredients. Okay, if you want to follow along at home with our beloved Humphrey, this is what you'll need. So Humphrey, how about you assemble those utensils, huh? What's that? Oh, now that's a bit small. How about you try again there, fella? Better. Whisk up a storm. Alright, preheat the oven. I guess add some flour with your paws. Oh, sugar on the spoon. Who cares about measuring cups? Humphrey's favourite. Whoa, Humphrey, wait. You know you only need 2 tablespoons, right? Yeah. But seems though you're not using utensils and measuring cups and spoons. I guess you'll just... Yep, there we go. Pour it right on in. Good one. And some oats. That is butter, guys. I'm pretty sure. Yes, butter. Okay, the egg. Mix and mix and mix. Oh, Humphrey is chilling out. Oh, pouring it into the tray. In the oven it goes. I think I'm gonna do about 20 minutes, Humphrey. Cool with that? Timer on. Check out that mess. Do your magic. Whoa! You are a little superstar. Our magical bear saves the day. Yes, it's hard work, isn't it, being super magical? That kitchen is sparkling though. Oop, time is ready. OMG! Those cupcakes look awesome! Keen,